Hello, it's Kevin. I'm going to be talking to you about cloud storage and sharing. So this is my Google Drive, one of many. I have one for school and I have two personal ones. This is the one I'm going to be using primarily for grad school. So you can see I have three different folders here. One which is for my instructional design technology course. The other which is for my 1 credit hour seminar course, and then this is for Passport. So I've actually already earned one badge, and it was for the Google Drive badge. So I had to have some different screenshots and whatnot to demonstrate that I understood Google Drive enough to earn that badge. So like, let's say for my upcoming assignment, my discussion post for my instructional design technology course, let's say I want to make a Google Doc. I would just simply click the new button, which is this little colorful plus, and then I could have a doc. I could put the discussion questions right on that doc and then do my work that I could then go to share on Brightspace. Or let's say after I have that item, that Google Doc, and some maybe additional resources, articles, videos, whatever, I could all throw them into a folder. Whoops, I could throw them into a new folder. That's if I wanted to upload a file, is what I did by mistake. So then I could just say week for discussion, and then boom, the folder appears. Go into the folder. Anything I want to go there could go there. One cool thing about Google Drive is the ability to drag and drop quite a bit. Doesn't work completely if it's in a separate screen, but there are some limitations, but the strengths are pretty cool and they work. And then the final item I think I got to do is show you how I can share. So a couple ways. You can right click on an item, including a folder or a doc or any other Google saved um, doc or sheet or slide or any of those. Right click it, go to this little person with the plus here, share. The other way you could do it is click the folder or the item you're trying to share, and then come up here and hit share. And then you just have to type in a valid email address. You'll be able to share it. Let's say I'm going to share it with my other personal account. I can choose whether I want them to be just a viewer, a commenter, or an editor.